Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing and booting into recovery. This avoids bricked devices. Once done, power off, then use the device-specific button combo to enter recovery mode. Make sure to have a recent backup, because uninstalling a system update may remove app settings or require a factory reset. If your device supports ADB, connect it now so you can run commands from your computer. Otherwise, follow recovery menu options directly. This step sets the foundation for safe rollback and precise control. You now remove the update files and revert components. Identify and delete the specific Google Play services or system update packages. If using ADB, run a DB shell and list /data, /cache, and /system for update files, then carefully rem the update package. Once removed, wipe cache and dalvik/art cache to clear residual compiled code that could reintroduce issues. If needed, sideload a compatible older OTA or flash stock firmware to restore the prior system image. This ensures functional compatibility and stability. You finish by rebooting and verifying system stability. Watch for Play services errors and app crashes, and make sure core apps operate normally. If you encounter a boot loop or severe instability, promptly return to recovery to restore from your backup or perform a factory reset. That reverses risky changes. Make sure to reinstall a stable Google Play update manually or disable automatic updates to prevent immediate reinstallation. One key troubleshooting tip: if crashes persist, clear app data for Google.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.